All right, everybody, wanted to do a quick room tour of our room here at the Cosmopolitan. This is a one-bedroom terrace room. It is on a high floor, great view. So before we head out to the hockey game, just wanted to give you guys a quick preview of the room. Okay, first you'll notice obviously a nice sitting area with its own TV. So you can be chilling out here, getting dressed or whatever, and have your own TV. Then you're able to see they've got a small little mini bar of some different drinks and whatnot. And also what was pretty cool is they had this little iPad that controls all the room. So you can come in, you can turn the lights on, off, control the temperature, and pick it up and take it with you to your bed, whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool. Then it's got nice storage for your luggage, as you can see. Robes are included. The one bedroom has a king for this particular suite. Really nice. One thing that also is really cool is the bathroom layout. Hey, Brandy.
Hi.
Brandy's getting ready for the Golden Knights game. They got this huge shower, as you can see here, with this gigantic soaking tub while you are enjoying the strip views. Pretty cool. I mean, only in Las Vegas can you get kind of stuff like this. But my particular favorite part about staying at the Cosmopolitan is being able to go outside and enjoy views of Las Vegas from the terrace. Okay, so it's almost 4 o'clock here in Las Vegas. Beautiful weather today. So check this out. Out here on the balcony, you got chairs, you got a couch to be able to sit and hang out with. There's T-Mobile Arena over there. We'll be heading there a little bit later. Going to the pregame. We got invited to a pregame reception, if you will, at the game. So we'll be broadcasting from there, obviously. Mandalay Bay, New York, New York, and you can see, if you can see way past Aria, they're doing the construction on the new stadium for the Las Vegas Raiders. So that's going to be pretty cool. Yep, Steve, one day we'll have to meet up. Not all rooms have balconies, but most of them do. So when you're making your reservations at the Cosmopolitan, which you can go to cosmopolitanlasvegas.com or travelvegas.com, you can make sure to book a room with a balcony. They have ones that are overlooking the Bellagio fountains, which you've probably seen on our YouTube channel before. But goodness gracious, just an amazing city, amazing views. And as Lance said, you can watch the planes land right over there. The rates vary. The rates from night we've seen as low as $199. We've seen as much as $1,200. It depends on what's going on during the week. Usually weekdays are a little bit more affordable than weekends. So yeah, go to travelvegas.com, cosmopolitanlasvegas.com, check out room rates and so forth, sign up for the email newsletters. Hey, coming to Vegas, saving $1 or $2, planning ahead, always a lot of fun. So we are going to be heading out here in just a minute to see the game, but just wanted to give everybody a quick room tour. Brandy, you look great.
Thanks.
Let me show everybody my new outfit. Look at that. Golden Knights. We are so excited, so ready. Hope you guys enjoyed our tour today of finding the best cocktails in Las Vegas. We definitely found some great ones. So be looking for all that stuff on Instagram and Facebook. See you guys later.